Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to slay an inside sewing ponytail like this. First step is making sure that the client hair is braided into a beehive. It is very good to make sure that the beehive is very flat as possible. Once the hair is braided into a beehive, you start sewing at the center of the beehive and sew outward. So you go around each braid inside the beehive, sewing around until you get to the end of the beehive. So if you watch in my video, I'm just sewing around the beehive on each braid, completely around. And I'm double tracking, so I'm using 2 tracks at a time. It helps because it keeps it full, because you want to add as much hair as possible so the ponytail could be as full as possible, but you also want it to still be as natural as possible. Now I'm done sewing it in. It's sewn into a ponytail, so it easily goes into a ponytail. That way when your client come back or return, she's able to wash it like a normal sew-in and it's going straight back into a ponytail. Very natural. Now I'm about to silk out the hair and mold it and style it. Stay tuned. Another key factor, as you can see, I'm using black rubber bands. It's very important to use black rubber bands because with natural ponytails you do not have to do the wrap around. You want it to look as natural as a ponytail. You want to give the illusion as if the client hair is just in a real ponytail with her real hair. Styling for a natural ponytail, you want it to be as natural as possible, so keep it sleek, ladies. Not a lot of swoops, not too much. You want it to be natural and cute, very sleek and chic. So let's keep it natural, ladies. Not too many baby hairs, not too much. You want it to look as natural and soft as possible. to curl the natural ponytail. I like to divide it in two sections, and I take one big section and I start at the beginning of her real hair and cut in an angle to give it more of a layered look. As you can see, I'm starting at her real hair and cutting down into an angle, and then I curl the hair with the flat iron outward. So I do more of an outward curl to give it more of a natural, soft look. Let's keep in mind, ladies, you want it to look as natural as possible. This is a natural sew-in ponytail. You want it to look like the client's hair more than anything. So I'm curling outward. Okay, ladies, there you have it, my natural sew-in ponytail the Traveling Shears way. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back. I will be dropping more videos this week. Thank you.